Hey everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just thought I'd show you today's lot of work. Well, this beginning of this week's worth of work. Sorry for those who are waiting for other orders. Just I need to try and get this guard finished for a customer because it's way overdue. Because one of these guards there, and I've still got to rebuild those two up there. So today we've gone along and made some better progress. I shaped up this section of lip here, and that. So then I've just got to work out the bottom, and that. Still got to grind a bit of the weld from the inside out, and that. So we shaped it over this die that I've been making. It's not finished yet, but I was able to get the start of it, and that. Then I've gone over and I've used my guard with a little bit of heat and shaped up the rest. So the next thing we're going to be tackling on this will be probably this section of guard here that's rusting it out. Now I actually have made a bit previously. Looks like I already started to make that section up before. But that's okay. What I've done is I've made this bit up, and that we will get a little bit more heat into that and get that a little bit more crisp. And then once we've welded that section in, that we will tackle along. And there's a bit of a pinhole there, but that could be saved. I'm going to be making a bit of a template tomorrow, because this is the back part here, and I need to make this part here, which I should be able to do with most of that part there. Make the template up from there, because it has the hole, and a little bit further along at the top, so we'll be able to bring it down and across, and we'll work it out with that to that area there, because there's this bit missing, which looks like it goes across the hole like that, and then across. So they're the next two jobs to do. We've also got to just put some patch over this. We've got this part done, and a little bit more grinding to do there, down to here. Then we've got to work out how we're going to shape this section here up, because it's not quite right. So yeah, so, and then once that's sorted, and then that's just the bottom section to do. A little bit of welding there, flat bar up on the top there, and then, so yeah, and then down there. So we'll try and tick off 2 more things tomorrow, maybe 3, and yeah. So yeah, it didn't overly turn out too bad. So anyway, thought I'd just show you bear with us for the other orders, but I want to get this out so I can get the 2 guards gone and free me up some space to work around my ute. On that, so I can start doing the bodywork on the driver's side, door and guard and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, till next time, don't forget, jump over to YouTube, please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that sort of stuff. And yeah, till next time, stay safe and keep your upside down. Cheerio.